Hey everyone, Mr. Webb here to help you guys out with doing some demonstrations or tutorials using your iPad or your iPhone. Now, I know this can be done on an Android, but I'm not really a specialist with Android devices, so I'm going to show you on this, and if somebody could tell me how to do it on an Android, I would love to know. But for me, on my iPad, what I can do is I have an iOS that's recent over the last couple years. I want to say 2 years that you can do this with. So the first thing that I like to do is I'll go to Settings, I'll open up my settings, and I'll go to my control center. Within my control center, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Customize Controls. Now, I have it enabled already. I'm going to turn this off here. But if you scroll down a little bit, you can actually see there's a screen recorder that I can put up in my control center. Now that it's up in my control center, I can go back to my main screen, bring down my control center, and I can see I have a recording function right here for me to be able to use. What I can do with this is I can actually record anything I do on this screen. So if I hold this down, I'll have the option to be able to turn on my microphone. And once I start recording, I can record everything on my screen. Now, if I want to open up OneNote or any drawing application, I can actually start writing on here and write out equations. So I'm going to go to Draw, I'm going to pick a color that I want to use, and I start drawing 2 plus 2 equals 4. That's pretty good. I can do a little bit more complex things. And I can work out the equations from here. It's really nice that you can have something like this at your fingertips that you could draw on. And what it actually does is creates an audio file for me to be able to, I'm sorry, not an audio file, but a video file that I can share out for students to be able to see. I could do an audio file, but it kind of defeats the purpose of having a screen recording. So that's how I turn on my screen recorder for my device. Make sure when you hit record on the device, you hold it down and enable the microphone. Otherwise, all they will see is just what you do on your device. So, with that being said, thank you for watching.